Oh, yes, female, my brother. So, like my brother.
Yeah. But it's not all about it. We're sharing something, or it's about our addiction. Let's not use sonke, and the song is a piece of gear.
Abangani bami nabakangangishintsheli basaphila nami basamthanda kodwa sonke kufana nasekuqaleni mara
bhuti wami ukufana nabo sonke la ke kuhlukile bhuti wami yabo sonke siyafana but
Kahle kwenzakalani la my brother?
I'm tired.
Sorry.
I'm tired, ngikhathele.
Oh, ukhathele wena my brother. Why bakubiza ngithinga?
Like mina bachita bami babhaya futhi mandami sithanda ukubonisana nabo
This is my service at TikTok. Umnaga broadcast show bafethu. Lana bafethu ngise Pick n Pay bafethu. Cengwa segarage bafethu. There bafethu ngisafuna phela emadality. Yokhuluma nalabo my sister phela khuluma nalabo my brother ngalento labayidlayo bafethu. Most of the time bafethu abantu bafika babathi bafuna bancede bafethu but bese kuzobanikeza feedback bafethu about into bafethu. So manje ngithi kini asameni sobacheka bafethu. Bona ukuthi bafethu yenza kanjani. This is my SABC TikTok. Umnaga broadcast show bafethu. Lapho ngikona bafethu. Today bafethu ngisendaweni yaseMadela bafethu. NgiseMadela Chula ngihlezi noma bracket man. O Aromet le my brother. Show my brother.
injani bra
Ita my brother. Wonobani my brother.
mina ngubongani wakashabalala mara bafethu bangibiza ngoSiki
Oh bangani shaba. Ya ukhuluma bangani shabala ukhona ukubuza wona.
hayi ngubongani wakashabalala yabo
Yeah.
mara mawuthengisa ngoSiki abanye bangibiza ngomshini ila khona la emafundeni
Oh, kuphila khona lama. Okay, sure. My brother, so my brother ngifuna just stop just ube free. Brother, yabona. So, awuqoqeni my brother. Kahle. What are you doing here, my brother? Wenzani la?
mina la ngiyazibhemela
Oh, yes, female, my brother. So, like my brother, just like it's like dinner with the man also.
mina ngibheminya upenero
Oh, you open a rock, my brother. So, my brother, like for example, like what kind of name for me? What kind of ganjan, my brother? When you start to my brother, what kind of ganjan? Me.
wena bra mina ngicala kwami
Eh,
yabo
yeah,
bengazi ukuthi kwenzakalani it's 2007
yeah.
sibhema igroup abanye babhema yona inyawo phela laba ababhema inyawo phela bangena efontini bahlala isikhathi eside thina laba begroup siyagena siyaphuma bese-ke kwaba ukuthini ke siyajuthana nabangani bami utama nasike siveni le
Sichuthana kanjani nabangani bakho? Juthana kanjani ngazi?
no angithi manje yabo sisipinile siphethe imali siphethe amabhusi siyagena siyabhenya after lapho sesiyaphuma laba benyawo phela
Yeah.
bayasala barelaxile imali yabo bayichedi like ngoba ngalesi sikhathi lesiyana 81 bag le benishani 4-5
Oh, all right, okay, right. My brother, son is cut off no eat.
18 years 15
No, it's cut a seat of a food. So that, I'm just, Maragenta go to Kalang and the one way.
nganyiki
Eh?
akunganyiki
Which I was a guy. Ushawumanga phela wathi my brother mara like angitshela my brother let's say mhlambe nangu umuntu ufuna ukukusiza na ungenza kanjani my brother yini into ayenza ukuthi ukhere ongayidinga for abantu mhlawumbe bakusiza ukuthi ufuna uphumula uyafuna kahle wena phuma
mina ngiyafuna ukuphuma pha ama-rehab dala sibhadisi maybe uma ungavula wonke lama-social worker la ubheke ubonga ishabalala uzohlala umshwala abathi siyeza sonlanda simele bona njengoba sisuke
obani
simele ama-social worker
yeah
mabanga-check-a nje kuwo lamagama lamafayili wabo la ubongani ishabalala bazomthola bonke.
All right. So my brother, like, uyabona my brother into langafuna ukutshela mina ezimnaka broadcast show, I understand. So into ufuna ukuthi uyenze my brother, uthatha ETCG even if bangakuyisa ku rap there's a lady called Hazel. Ngabona uyamazi Hazel my brother.
Mina bambiza ngelinye igama.
Hazel wasesithama. Hazel lebakabhema lebakabhema lento today akasebhema bra. She's coming from this show naye as like Hazel. Wamazi Hazel wasesithama.
Yeah, nyamazi le dark girl omfishane. Yeah, nyamazi.
Bona ke my brother wayena uphuma from this show my brother khona la ngikhumbula my brother but ngizofuna one of the other day in and then because of sneaking la my brother naye she was still smoking that thing but I talked with her and then ngamtshela ukuthi the into fanele ukuyenza funa thatha i-decision bafethu njengawe you must take a decision even noba bangathatha bakumise ku rehab you cannot stop smoking that without you taking any decision.
Hayi wena futhi manje la idala ithathile. It's just that sesimele ukuthi umuntu ozokulifta. Ukuyabona i-decision soyithathile awazi wenzeni.
Okay right. Bona ke my brother into lengizokutshela yona my brother. I-decision ufuna uyafuna wena uyafuna like uyafuna vele ukuyekela usho ngaloko ukuthi uyafuna ukuyekela.
Ngami kabuhlungu kabi 100 nemeli yami vele sesiqedile impilo sesikhathele ngoba into zethu azilungi ngoba yini sifocus ekubhemeni ukuthi kumele ngabe sinabantwana
Okay right. Bona ke my brother ngitshela mina wena as from today you have to take a decision and then next time mangitanga la ngizobona ukuthi no my brother yena uthathe decision and ngizothatha ama details wakho from lapho from acting and ngizothatha ama details wakho my brother and then mangizala from second time ngizobona ukuthi okay my brother ukhona change likhona since I was talking with him la kumnaka broadcast so ngibona ukuthi okay right my brother uthethe ngiyayibona noma ngabe ingabonakali kahle but I can see ukuthi une-decision lincane luthethe nyana kulitshintsho elincane lenzile because my brother ngifuna ukutshela manga mina noma ungahamba ama-rehab langakanani in-South Africa but as long ungathatha i-decision wena try the last time nawuthi i-decision wethatha bungethatha my brother if like wathetha i-decision ofana ngabe awusabhema ukuthi so i-decision ukuthi my brother ushiyele ukuthi mina ngethatha ngifuna ukuthi noma ngahlala 1 day or 2 days ngayibhemi netithi bam udle nayinto nayo nawuthi bam udle something else ekubhenini uyabona my brother
lapho-ke wena futhi mani lami yabo ukuzimisela ngizimisele one bengumuntu ogangayo bengeke kushayela isikhathi esingakafiki or ekuseni ngabo-7 futhi mara manje ngoba manje ngiyabona ukuthi lento esengiyigangelayo angisagangeli futhi senginoyenza ngoba sengikhathele kahle kahle that's why ngiyekile ngibhemile
okay
but angeke kuphele ilanga ngiphemanga
okay kahle wena my brother uthi umuntu oganga kodwa manje awusagangi kukhona la uhlala khona straight ukuthi okay every time utholakala
yebo ngitholakala khona la why nginceda abantu lana banokunika ama-bistop yabo into njengale
okay right esizakubona my brother njengami understand like angithi mina uyangathi ukuthi mina ngine-business my brother and manje I don't have umuntu losebenza khona my brother into yokuqala wena lofuna uyenza ufuna uthola umsebenzi once mangothola umsebenzi my brother instead kothi mhlawumbe uhamba uyothenga inyawo ngamanje uthenga isigarethi ubhema isigarethi uyabona lapho uzawenza kanjani uzawuchange but as long usathenga inyawo my brother angeke uchange my brother ungathengi inyawo thenga isigarethi ubheme yona yabona and then uzawuthi manguthenga wabhewe isigarethi emva kwesikhathi my brother uzobona phela ukuthi no this thing angisize le nto le ngcono ngiyekele ngcono ngithatha amasuku because ngifuna ukugcina nami kusibone sengasabheki le nto and then lokubona ilife yakho seyitransforming
hayi wena futhi mani lami yabona mina ngizokutshela iqiniso futhi mani lami the way kungakhona lento le ihlupha like emini ungahlala like uqinisele angisho nabantu bayakuxoxisa into ezinjengalezo but at night bakuleka ulala awulali stomach cramps nje vele ubona ngathi asifuna ukuyekela ukubhema ngoba yini sisaba lela pain leliya ongeke walichazela umuntu ukuthi hayi le pain leliso.
All right, no, my brother, thank you bafethu igama lami Dr. Smosamo System bafethu. Bengisakhuluma my brother lana bafethu ukuthi angenza kanjani, so ngikhulumile naye we brother ukuthi akathathe decision because of next time mangibuyela ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kuzobe kune-change elincane lengibonako kuwe my brother. Thank you ngiyabonga bafethu. Like my brother, amana mina my brother like mawufuna ukuntola umnaka breakfast show, and then into lokufuna my brother like let's say bathi mhlawumbe wena ufuna something to eat from now on. I go to mina mangonikeza something, then you just take this thing, you go to sell that thing, go to khona ukuthola imali khona ukuthi ngifuna ukunikeza this thing ukuthi okay right, at least when you take this thing or you take this thing go to for because ngezi 16th or 17th of July sizabe sine giving back to the community, you understand. So lapho my brother ngila so bese skipper khona mhlawumbe for example abantu bazoba baletha impahla inini, let's say seasonal bro, and then uyakhipha wona ukhipha mhlawumbe for example isilamba leni ube nje utransform i-life yakho ube right ube mnandi, and then bese soluma wakerang ukere ube right ube kahle inini everything ubona nokuthi there's changes ekhona my brother, you understand. Into lezo yenzeka leyo my brother as from next time ngezi 17 zobe zini 17 July, and then sizochecka lapho edate ukuthi zobe kunini 17 lokho ukuthi i-17 July zobe kunini 17 July or nge-weekend yakhona because sifuna ukwenza nge-weekend yakhona this thing my brother. Wenza nge-weekend this thing my brother ukuthi ngila kuyobe kugcwele khona abantu abaningi just khona lapho nje zobe stay 17 18 19 20 Saturday go ngini yeah ngeze 18th of July bafethu Saturday bafethu, so we're sending giving back to the community. So my brother, you're welcome to come over that side my brother, and there's uzobona now changes there's over in your life my brother. But I wanna lapha sama ngasasondweni yabona it's like khona lapho ngasasondweni or esondweni khona lapho la ngaphandle esondweni lapho ya khona lapho wena ngibona unana kunamajita kuphela intombazana awasaba amajita wona ezuyintombazana.
Yeah, sometimes nginokwasaba ebusuku middle of the day mebakwatile mebangabhemanga but ngibuye nje efanayo, there's no use ukuthi ngibasabe, but the main fact ukuthi intombazana kunabafana nawe uqeda ukuyisho khona intombazana kunabafana no ngiyasaba, I'm afraid a lot, but ish situation enguyo imele ngibe nabo labafana labo, but it's not all about ukuthi we sharing something or it's about our addiction lesinayo sonke, and sonke siyafisa ukuyeka njengoba sibona silana ayikuthi sonke asifisi abomama balabantwana nalabo bhuti laba balana bonke bayakhala as much as nami ngikhala ngaphakathi mina mama uze washona khala ukuthi ngekele addiction. I wish nawe nithi ne community no government la khona ngathi ngingaza yena akusponsor ukuthi wena uzosinceda ngoba ube namaqiniso for past 3 months namanje still there, so yini engekuyenza ukuthi ushintshe umqondo kithi.
Yeah, so my sister like for example manje ngicela ukubuza my sister umtshela nje just asiqale lapho asiqale ebanganini bakho lokhule nabo nabangani bakho and futhi abangani bakho lofunze nabo, you understand, because nabo kubona today udlala into lodlako, so what are they saying to you or benzani kuwe?
Yeah, shame of me, some they are working some of the ways that I don't like, some like nyaka nje umunye nomunye ngithuka izinyawo be stebe yini nani la stratini siyajonja even noma kungajonjanga mina, but bazothini kuntshontshe mina just because of why the circumstances of ngiyabhema. So that's why ngizicelela kuwe futhi njengoba uthi uzingasinceda wena ngithi hayi mina viva ngawe ngithi viva ngiyakuphasa.
So but my sister awungitshela nje ukuthi uyabona ukuthi kuhamba ma-foreign ahamba ngisho ukuthi nini lonithekisela inyawo umuntu wala South Africa or umuntu wangaphandle.
On that point government is wrong, akusi foreigner akalanda ama-Nigeria laba abaziyo ukuthi bona bahlanganisa nabo ama-transaction ukuze bazothola inyawo lesithini esiyibhemayo ama-foreigner abangawofaki ama-foreigner kusiyiwe ayenze lento leyo and awazanga nalento leyo ama-foreigner sewawela under ama-Nigeria just because of ama-Nigeria yiwe ezinalento leyo.
Or is it a Nigeria?
That's 110% sure.
Yeah. So, angitshele like kuyenza ukuthi kuphele ilanga ungayibhemanga lento or ibhema everyday.
Hayi ngiyenzeka mara angeke ngilale ngayibhemanga just because of what? Yo angeke ngilale ubusuku bonke. And I hate nokuthi mina ngitshontshe izinto endlini ngigcine i-addiction ngithi yo down libuhlungu mbawo. I wish ukuthi ngelinye ilanga futhi uphinde ubuye futhi uzosibona just isizibeke isikhathi sokuthi sihlale singabhema until lesikhathi so bhema afterwards. Angithi uzoyibona futhi.
Okay. Manje ngicela ukuthi so ekhaya like how are they like bakuthathisa bakuthatha kanjani ekhaya manje since ubhema?
I'm always useless ekhaya. Angikho useful. Like I'm stupid. Like wonke lamagama bafisa ngathi bangawabiza or mekalahleka into zabo bazimisplace like I'm the only one uzofela leyo
Noma engathathwa
noma engathathwanga yini. But that's painful ngoba emotional friendship relationship nayo between parents yami nabantwana basekhaya.
So manje my sister, let's say umuntu osekhaya or maybe iskole esibhekile or someone obhekile le show lena like ungathanda kanjani ungaqala kanjani ukuthi mhlambe ikuncede ungathanda ukuthi bakuncede ngani wena?
Ngisho ukuthi ngaba khona umuntu ozosilanda hayi mina ngiyi-1 silande sonke nabafethu siye kubhema sinemindeni yethu thina imindeni yethu iyasidinga as much as isidinga nabo bayabadinga ukuthi nabo sisa abanjengathi and nalomntwana lo ahleli naye I wish amkhombe le video ukuthi nakusazi umntanakhe angaweli la athi ngizwele khona.
Noma isister la uzosisho yini igama lakho ukuthi ubani?
Mina ngikawufela mahayi nakinatebu ngoba mayini like last 49 years.
Oh, 249 party. So my sister, here's a my sister just move just around the swing like like angazi like for example what are you doing like corner last corner?
Na last corner last
Oh, just ngifuna ukuthi my sister, one of my sister like ube like ube free my sister ngicela ukuthi couple just ukuthi yakho kancane uzozoba my sister so like that's gonna la or onotha khona la matrafiki if manje my sister ungasasho my sister umuntu okhona namazinto zakho
hayi asimazi ukuthi
manje phela ngeke usho ukuthi uthenge ukuthi uyabona uma uthenga something uthola baby uyafika uyahamba okay right so masithi ucela ukuza masithi like wena emphakathini is like emphakathini kunjani so bakuthesisa like umuntu onjani?
Mina ngumuntu onayithanda abantu
Ngijabulile Nkosi yami.
mina ngumuntu onayithanda abantu ngihlala nginceda abantu ngihlala ngumuntu
Ohlala uparticipate umuntu othanda abantu like my sister in terms of ukujolda my sister wena usemuntu ojonda
cha sizojoja nginceda abantu nabasithanda.
Okay right so but abangani bakho like ngicela ukuza like abangani bakho ne like mabona udla lento lodla ufunze nabo esikolo or ukhule nabo so bathini today nabo khona
Inhliziyo zabo
zibabuhlungu inhliziyo zabo
yeah
like amkhazi nje ukhazi ngathi abangani bakho umkhazi umbeke like ukuthi how are they like by react kanjani nabakubona wena basafuna basahamba nawo basajabula basayingani
abangani bami nabangangishitsheli basaphila nami basamthanda kodwa sonke kufana nasekuqaleni mara bayangisapota bonke bafuna ngiyekele
bonke bafuna mara bakutshela ukuthi ungenza kanjani futhi uyeke bathi ungayeka kanjani
bahlala bayenza ngamafuna abo bathi ukuthi babesexual bayanginceda bona ukuthi
my sister like abakutshela bathi my sister uyeke my sister nokuthi like nokuthi ma rehab or kanjani ungayekela awungeke ma rehab akusilo sister like ufuna ukuthi lokho kufunde la ehlizweni yakho iloko bengisakutshela uma bracket ecaleni kodwa ufuna ukuthi wena uthathe it yabona today sasa asebenze noma ngiyangitha usho ukuthi bangathenga inyawo ubha manje ngibona ngithenga bese ngiya mahhala ngeke uthathe
Lo ngizoyithatha.
Manje
Angayithatha.
manje useyela kanjani uMessi?
Angisho manje angeke uhlale ufuna uthole uncedo olusirious because leto le ungafa nokufa bawuyeke ama-service.
Yeah, but angithi my-sister like mawuthetha i-decision yokuthi angizayifuna noma bangithenga bakunike isibatha angeke uyithande uzoyiyekela.
Reward. Oh,
Yeah,
angeke
mara
uyeke.
angeke uyiyeke vele ngelanga leli
Ibuhlungu ukuthi uyeke. Ibuhlungu.
yeah.
Njengoba uthi ma ungayibeka la uthi ngiyithande because of ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthi
Yeah.
ukuthi ngifuna ngamele ngihambe ngifuna ngibeka abantu hlangana nabantu kabuzethu nakusibono like so phansi vele awusasebe way awufani nabanye abantu awusasebufana yabo because ufuna yona ma ungayifuna mina ma ngingayifuneli because amantombazane amanye ayasithekisa so mina angifisa ukuthi ngizobeka abantu
Okay, so unokudobha iy'kukhu lokuhamba udobhe iy'kukhu just around khona la ekhaya.
yeah khona like us I need it khona la
Alright. Yeah, not good as stored. The job can't be passed even in that stuff.
yeah
Clean, kahle clean community.
yeah kufana community.
Okay, right. Njengoba uyabona ukuthi abantu bokuhamba kuma-forest abantu bokuhamba bayahamba khona la South Africa. So ngigcina sengayithole nyawo. How are you going to survive?
Mina ngajabula bhuti wami ngajabula because manje angeke sayithola angeke sisathi saphuma ezinye sohlala yaze yaphuma emzileni.
So yiyo le decision ukhuluma ngayo-ke yokuthi okay uyabona nabantu kere bayahamba bahamba straight angeke ningasayithola lowo so usho ukuthi wena wondla kwenjalo.
Ya ngajabula ngahlala nami ngalo ngaphuma lento le
so but asangithi like sasikhulumela intention imisebenzi like for example nabangathi wena mhlawumbe for example umuntu omunye ofuna ukuqasha so uphi uzenze ongosebenza wena
mina ngithanda ukupheka
thanda ukupheka
ngenze i-home community hospitality school ayiphoto ngiyasishaya
ipoto uyachaya
ayiphoto
uyachaya ipoto.
ayiphoto
Okay, sure. Ngiyakubona sithi. No, all right, my sister. Akunake my friend. Lana ngino my brother, lana my brother. Where you from, my brother?
Baba wami ubuye la eMadela baba wami.
Ngicela ukuthi ukhuphule ivolume yakho kakhudlanyana khona uze khona ukuthi ngikuzwe kahle my brother. Angikuzwe kahle my brother.
Okay, bhuti omdala uhlala la eThembisa, Gauteng, eMadela 2.
Oh, eMadela 2 my brother. So my brother like ngiyakubona no my brother like ulana kulabantu labo my brother but wena ngathi awufani nabo. Kwenze njani my brother?
Bhuti wami ukufana nabo sonke la ke kuhlukile bhuti wami yabo. Sonke siyafana but asidemi into eyi-one sonke. You understand?
Yeah.
Mina ngibhemayo bhuti wami igufu neCrystal.
Oh, vema igufu neCrystal wena. So angitshela bro, onesikhathi esinganani vema igufu neCrystal wena?
I do think mangibala it's about 10 years because I started in 2016.
All right. So ikuphethe kanjani wena?
Eish baba wami ane bekumnandi but now asisakhiphi.
Yeah, so ungenza kanjani wena like my brother ukuthi mhlawumbe uyekele? Ungenza sekuza wena but ungenza kanjani ukuthi uyekele?
Ukuyeka bhuti omdala yimi kamele ngizitshele uyabo but ish craving yinkinga ngasikhathi.
Craving ngiyo inkinga like what are you saying about that with that statement craving ngiyo inkinga uthini kahle kahle?
Into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi like ungahlala ne ungayibhemanga but mayingafikanga lento legazini akusuthi bekuzoshawa idown or uzoba nesifro zoba something like uzoba moody kind of things uyangithola umuntu makhuluma nawe like right uzomphendula ngenye indlela uyangithola umuntu like makhuluma nawe kahle maybe akhulume enye into usho ukuthi bayifika emqondweni wakho ifika ngenye indlela understand ugcina solwe nabantu ababhaya because of this thing but mangibhemile ngiba grand.
Oh bakre so kuyenza mara ukuthi kuphela one day ungabhemi?
Yeah iyayenzeka but ukukhupha kakhona kuzoba inkinga.
My brother mina ngiyacela ngamanje ngicela ukuthi wena uthathe i-decision my brother futhi wena ungasabhemi.
I'm willing baba wami yabo. I tried but
uyabona my brother, uyabona as long ungathatha i-decision angeke uyekele my brother, angeke wena you have to take i-decision yokuthi okay right nayi ngiyabona uyiphethe ngesandla le ngifuna ukubhema but uyiphe umuntu omunye uthi mina ngisafuna ukubhema lapho i-decision leyo my brother.
Khotman lami uqinisile yabo i-decision but asalokuhlala yabo ekhonshini lami ngisho angithi masohleli kanje ayingizimisela into ezini ngiyakhiya umnyango afika ubangani afika ubangani azathinta kimi ata ntwana yami kokom intwana unayo imoto ayisana le decision engizitshele yona seyi-break upile yonke ngizele nto ukuthi unayo imoto sengizovula umnyango olento engizitshelile yabona entwana zikhiphani eganilike ntwana entwana eganilike asisiyabhema.
Yazi ukuthi kwenza kanjani yena banakabuza ukuthi unayo imoto wena uyaphendula uyamtshela ukuthi kuse mina imoto anginayo mfethu but yazi ukuthi kwenza kanjani wena ngavula emnyango la mawona esikhiye semoto start imoto uhambe yabona akuna problem my brother i-decision my brother noma ngafika la my brother athi unayo imoto wena uzothi imoto mfethu unayo yena ka-starte noma akathatha isikhiye astart imoto ahambe my brother.
Bhuti wami kunzima because like le mina engibhemayo ne bathi Christine, it's not just a Christine, i-drug elinegama nesibongo Christine, isibongo sayi-math uyangithola kusho ukuthi lento inayo nedimoni ngaphakathi mani yami serious le khotmani
inayo nedimoni
waqala wakhuluma ngayo khotmani lami kusho ukuthi socabanga yona
socabanga yona my brother ngilana no my brother bafethu ulo bafethu my brother uzosisho ukuthi yena ubani igama lakhe my brother ubani igama lakhe my brother ngicela ukuthi ukhuphula ingane ivoice yakho my brother khuluma njengami khona uzovakala my brother.
Yes. My name is Sipho Shabalala.
Sipho Shabalala. So Sipho Shabalala so my brother so ngiyakubona my brother ukhona la my brother kahle kwenzakalanda my brother.
I'm tired.
Sorry.
I'm tired, ngikhathele.
Ukhathele wena my brother. So my brother ngicela ukubuza like ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi lana my brother ngizinashisa something angazi kwenzakalana my brother but when thatha mina ngibeka my brother ukutshela ukuthi my brother wari kahle what are you doing here my brother?
Lana I'm a homeless and that's because of what I'm smoking.
You are smoking. Upema my brother. What are you smoking?
But they call it speedball.
Speedball. Ngicela ungichazele ngale speedball my brother because of abantu abaningi mhlamba abasekhaya they don't understand speedball ukuthi yinto enjani my brother like usebenzisa kanjani ungichazele ngaso my brother.
Okay, speedball you will never understand but ababhemi baya understand about speedball. Is that thing they call it inyawupe ne-crystal.
Kuyahlangana.
Yes.
All right. So my brother, angitshela ukuthi my brother so nesikhathi esikanani ubhema i-speedball wena?
Speedball maybe say this year maybe it's 5 years ubhema speedball.
All right, so 5 years wena ubhema i-speedball. So my brother like for example ukuthi abantu bakuncede ungenza kanti ungadinga ini ukuthi abantu bakuncede wena?
Like I need a rehab.
You need a rehab. I-rehab yona ingakunceda uma uthi uyibheka.
Because like mina inhliziyo yami enganginceda but nayo i-rehab iyadingakala inside.
Wabona uma uthi inhliziyo yakho ngiyo lengakunceda my brother uqinisile because of when you need to take a serious decision bafethu ukutshela wena ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthi bona mina ngiyekelile ubhema i-speedball nenyawo my brother ne. So
and kunento enjani I tried ngizamile like many ways. That is why but many ways to kill a cat.
So my brother ngicela ukutshela like my brother so nilala kuphi ulala kuphi my brother or ulala khona la street or nekhaya la ulala khona my brother?
Mina likhaya but emuva kwamagosti.
Emva kwamagosti so my brother understand wonder mina ukuthi understand my brother mawuthi emva kwamagosti what do you mean?
Backroom. Lana balahla la ababeka khona izinto eziya on dumping.
Ekhaya mara kusekhaya la.
Yes.
All right, which means wena awusalala endlini unalala ku backroom. Why ungasalala endlini straight ku mhlawumbe sengithi 4 room ulala ube ne room yakho?
To be honest mina ngifuna ukuba namanga angifuna ukuthini isandla ukutshontsha.
Kahle ukutshontsha my brother so. Bafethu ngilanda bafethu ngizokhuluma no my brother ngeva bathi king bafethu mangihamba just around basho ukuthi ikhona king yethu so my brother ngicela are you a king?
I am a king of what? King of talent. I don't know what to say.
No, but angizofuthi bakubiza ngeking futhi. Why bakubiza ngeking?
Like mina bachita bami babhaya futhi mandam sithanda ukubonisana nabo ngale mpilo lesiphilayo yabona futhi mandam like futhi mandam le mpilo lesiphilayo siphila impilo ukuthi sibuyo maka asithandi maka sesisayiphila ngoba siphakathi kwayo sisa futhi mandam so abantu basigceka abantu bayakhuluma izinto snacks basibiza ngamagama ngithola sesiyamukela noma singathandi ngithola futhi mandam ungasibona sisonke sila sinama talent ahlukahlukene and amaningi ukudlula abantu laba abasigcekayo abasibiza ngamagama sisa futhi mandam and futhi mandam besingathanda nathi ukuthi si-change nathi futhi mandam empilweni zethu ngithola futhi mandam because nathi siyaphila kanje maka hayi
ukuthi into phela oyifunayo akusiyo ukuthi mhlawumbe into oyifunayo nawe awumtshela my brother wena like for example like ngiphi into olongayenza my brother let's say mhlawumbe sikhuluma ngetalent ngiphi talent yakho my brother like utalented to into mhlawumbe for example ungumculi mhlawumbe for example ungumajayivane mhlawumbe ungilento leyo my brother angazi ngiphi talent lonayo wena
mina bengintsembe ngedisc futhi mandam
bontswembe ngedisc
kakhulu futhi
so manje like for example like Bomo Sundowns like for example bakuthathe or lapha my brother but angase ngiqonde udlala disc
ngisho manje ngibona ngoba manje le demon leli selingithathele okuhle nokuNkulunkulu yangizale ngifumbathele futhi mandam ngiyabona and nami esinyabalabala mihla namalanga ngibona futhi mandam and manje inkinga enye ebuhlungu ukuthi like abanye abantu bangabona ngathi like siyathanda ukuphila kanje kanti the way sibhekane ne-situation nje ngakhona ngeke sihlale sikwatile sikhumbile sizokhozwa sikuyo le situation futhi mandam and siyafuna nathi ukuyekela just ukuthi abanye bethu sisedeni nasemakhaya dala sihlala etradini sometimes sisakhona ukuthatha ama-decision ukuthi uvuke nje ukuthi awufuni awusafuni ukubhema but ngoba usestradini awuna backup awuna like umuntu ozo-encourage ozokunceda ozoyenzani so eziningi sifila and le craving le yethu thina esibuyo ema-crystal namanyawo like sibonye i-craving ukuthi like siba ne-short temper like siyakwata nesiphenduke into
ngiya-understand so angitshela my brother wena ulala kuphi my brother just anga-understand ulala ekhaya or ulala khona la sigangeni or kwenzakalani
mina ngilala khona la sigangeni senginabo-6 years ngilastradini
awunakhaya walala khona alright shothi umuntu omunye obhekile mhlawumbe ngakuthatha bakunikeza mhlawumbe for example indawo yokuthi mhlawumbe nawo ube ole ndawo ozobiza ukuthi ekhaya like for example rehab understand ungayisabiza and most rehab lapho phela angeke yonke lento usayithola lo uzophila umthetho wase-rehab yabona ukuthi uphila kanjani brother understand and then you need to take a decision my brother ukuthi mhlawumbe nawo uzoyela for lento edlala my brother yabona khona nawo ngenye ilanga my brother uzosho ngiyakhumbula ngike ngahlangana nomnaka lapha understand so then umnaka wangitshela kahle ukuthi ngithatha i-decision and ngayithatha i-decision mangathi ngiyakubuza today ukuthi uyakhumbula le ntombazane sisithamile abathi uHazel today akasabhemi le nto bekabhemi ngamazi uHazel angithi yeah she's coming from this show also Hazel but wathatha i-decision wathi no angeke mina ngisayibhemi inyawo akasayibhemi inyawo and umpondo today ukuthi fresh kanjani bafethu uyambona today ukuthi sidlakele sentombazane ungazusho nawe ukuthi hey my brother so you need to take a decision my brother
ngayithatha i-decision futhi ngayijabulela kakhulu ngezandla ezimhlophe ezikhudumele ngoba nami like I need a shoulder to cry on.
Alright, yeah. Mhlawumbe nangithi ubo-DJ Shims lapha ubo-DJ Sbu because of awuthasikhathi phela u-DJ Sbu bangiseza mhlawumbe bangiseza mhlawumbe bancede nga-something you understand but ucela kibo sizo ukuthi awucela usizo kubo-DJ Sbu laba kubhekile ekhaya like laba khona bo-DJ Sbu bo-Shims understand ukuthi mhlawumbe wena ucela uncedo mfowethu ngiliphi iqiniso olangicela kulabo bantu abakubhekile
like incwadi engingacela ukuthi like mangaqala ngidetox ngithola detox and then like ngibe clean ngiphume like kule simo lesenguso sa edition and then lapho ke it's whereby ke I will make a final decision when time goes on.
Umuntu angakhona afika akuthola like i-address yakho nje ukuthi uhlala kuphi.
204 Mandela Kufa.
204 Mandela Kufa. Also una iphone.
Ngisebenzise ke babami.
Ithini number yakhona la bangithola khona inameni kababakho.
0735835517. Edward Lukele.
Or Edward Lukele bafethu. Inamba ngiyo leyo eshilo ngusisi khona lapho bafethu. Kama lami uDr. Intonda kaMsitende. This is Naga Broadcast Show, my sister. Thank you, my sister. Ngabonga, my sister. Thank you, all of my sister. Umuntu ofuna ukunceda la wena angakuthola kuphi?
Mina umuntu ongafuna ukunginceda angafonela wami or aze kuwe then wena uzokwazi ukuza la uzothola uyazi ukuthola kuphi and
umuntu lofuna ukuthi ungasafonela ubhuti wakho or uze kimi mina ngikuthathe ngikulethe straight khona la ngathi khona sister uzothola inamba la engathola khona ubhuti wakho ngiphi
061
khuluma kakhulu
061 123
or 061 123
95
or 9529. Okay, you inamba la ungathola khona. Alright, no. Thank you bafethu. Send bile usister bafethu. Uthi usizo kahle kahle uyadinga bafethu. Yile ndinga mtshela khona ubhuti wakho bafethu ngiyeza ukukhuluma nami straight bese ngiyathatha mina. Ngisa le la ungathola khona usizo. Uyadinga usizo Kristu. Cala ukuthi mhlambe nawo lapha ekhaya ubhekile konke. If like for example ufuna kufaka isandla photo ufuna ukunceda usister bafethu. Don't wait. Don't stay bafethu. Usister angabonga kakhulu bafethu. Thank you ngiyabonga bafethu. Kamala mu Dr. Tanda Naga Broadcast Show. Umuntu ofuna ukunceda my brother wena angakuthola kuphi? Umuntu obhekile le show njengamanje osekhaya obhekile le show ukuthi ufuna ukunceda so wena angakuthola kuphi?
Umuntu ofuna ukunginceda bhuti wami angangithola kuphi eMadela walo B384 noma Elifateng 102/9 Elifateng Chapter Street. Amanamba ngashiya wesister athi 071 246 071 246 0885.
Okay, inamba lapho my brother besakhuluma no my brother lapho bafethu ningamthola khona bafethu. No my brother uyadinga usizo lapho my brother. Thank you my brother kamala muthoka. Ngisazophinda ngibuye la futhi ngizocheck my brother ukuthi how ukuthi like niphusha kanjani since sakhuluma nginibonise nokuthi abantu bacomment bathini my brother kuloko besikhuluma inenani my brother. Ngizophinda ngibuye la mina angisipirate my brother nami ngihlala khona la kasi my brother so ngisazobuye my brother ngibona ukuthi how far are you ngalento besikhuluma because abantu bakithi bafethu wobhuti wethu you're my brother my faith mfowethu understand just ngoso abantu manje abasandizi kahle kanti bathi abonyawuphe boy abobani abonyawuphe understand this is not okay, this is not right bafethu phinde sibonaneni for the second time bafethu ngabila mina thank you shab my brother show ngicela ubanikeze like information yakho abantu ababhekile ekhaya ukuthi wona ungathanda ukuthi like bangakuthola kanjani bafuna ukunceda.
I mean mongangingeda like I will give you amanamba kamama wami.
Yeah, amanamba kamama akho athini la ungasinikeza khona ukuthi mhlamba bakhona ukwathola bese bayafika bazokhona ukuthi bakhulume nawe kahle.
Yes. Athi 060
yeah
497
yeah
800.
All right my brother awunayo so what call address nguphi lapho
190 Mkanza
190 Mkanza bafethu my brother uyalidinga usizo bafethu uthi yena uzimisela ukukela my brother so ukucala ukuthi bafethu ni nimbamba bafethu kule number unikezile amanamba kamama wakhe so umama wakho nabangathi bamfonela bangakuthola my brother so mangenza bazokuchecka kuthi
bayazi ekhaya ukuthi ngilala emuva kwamakhosi akenzakala ukuthi like ngibe on die ngiba on die emva kwamakhosi.
Yeah, thank you, my brother, for your time, my brother. It's community, my brother. Mina now, I think it's my brother. Lang nang zopinda, futhi shy try la. Ngibese ngiyakubonisa ukuthi what are the people saying about land on Abakoloma because of this is going to be in my page Naga Broadcast Show. Go YouTube is over corner, go TikTok is over corner. Don't forget to follow me, Buffett. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment in the channel, Buffett. Spend this banana for the second. My brother, ngati ufuna usho something.
Bangakhohlwa nokuthi basisize
All right, ningakhohlwa nokuthi nibasize lapho bafethu. Danko. Thola kanjani? Bangithola ukuthi nabafuna mapra bafuna ukunceda.
Mina abafuna ukuthi bangangithola kule number le ethi 073
Yeah.
19
Yeah.
08 568. Bengicela ukuthi abazali bethu South Africa njengoba si-youth yabo
Yeah.
sicela ukuthi bangasisoli basithande
Yeah.
basiqheke basincede
Yeah.
nathi siyafuna ukushintsha siphile sibe izinto lezi esiyizo sizethu uqhubeke sibe.
All right, danke siyabonga my brother. Danko. Chap my brother. Yeah, bafethu kamela mo Dr. Ntwana bafethu bafethu. This is Naga Broadcast Show Evening Drive bafethu. Today bafethu ngikhona la eMatela bafethu. Just because eMatela too bafethu. Ilaba khona nabo my brother mfuthu. So then usisa balicela bafethu. Bacela ukuthi nawo ekhaya. Nawo la khona mfuthu. Ubasize because abo my brother mfuthu and then kunabantu banokhuluma nabo bathathe all the information mfuthu. And then bese abasabuyi futhi second step mfuthu ukuthi bazobanikeza ama feedback mfuthu ukuthi benza kanjani or kuthiwani mfuthu. That is why my brother like most of the time mfuthu bese sebayaleka ukuthi bangasakhuluma nabantu ngokuthi bafethu anibuyi nizobanikeza in feedback yabantu bafethu. Kabu le bafethu endaweni sesama bafethu sisethembisa bafethu 1632 Gauteng province kwanti ngazaduma banyama pheli kophela amazinye endoda bafethu. Danko bafethu.